Need to get that trunk open.
Please, help me!
Are you okay, ma'am?
Spider-Man, I didn't expect you to. But those men...
It's okay now. You're safe.
Those men were paid to steal our inventory. Drive us out of business. They're holding it at the docks on FDR, near the bridge.
I'll get your stuff back. Do you need help getting home?
No. I can call a cab. Gracias. You saved my life, sir.
Yankee, Camila's safe. She caught those guys stealing inventory. Said someone paid them to do it.
About that, I did some digging. Someone anonymously filed a request with the city to use eminent domain powers to condemn Camila and Caleb's block.
Has to be the guy paying our criminals, right? So he can move in?
Totally. I put in a counter request asking for an investigation into whoever's trying to buy the land.
Dude, you're a genius. I'm headed to the docks to get the supplies back. Call you soon.
Downtime.
Crates. More crates. Where'd they hide the supplies? Bet those guys know. If I listen in, I can figure out which crate to open.
Don't know if I'm gonna keep working for the big guy once he's settled in Harlem.
Why not? It's good money.
Some of what he wants to do don't sit right with me. Drugs, fine. Rackets, sure. But he kills people.
Didn't know you was squeamish.
Gotta draw the line somewhere.
Not what I need.
One big score and I'm out of here. What do you think he's gonna build on the land?
Apartments, maybe. Office space.
Gonna run drugs out of them?
Probably. Good way to make money quick.
Not in my neighborhood, it's not.
Literally.
You hear the boss wants to shut down Feast?
The main one or the one in Harlem?
All of them. Bet he buys the land there, too.
What? Oh, you do not mess with Feast. These guys aren't helpful. Need to eavesdrop somewhere else. Can't hear them through the container.
What are you planning to do with that stuff? Barber shears? Napkin holders?
Probably dump it. You can get started if you want. Green crate with the white star.
Got it. Now I can take these guys down. Ha! I knew I could do it.
Oh, crap, he's not moving!
That'll leave a mark.
Hey, who is that? Hey! Got a body over here! I think I heard something. Where this winter's
Easier than I thought. Bet you didn't see that coming.
Not to eat that yellow stuff. Idiot. Man, I really gotta take a leak. Oh.
It looks so peaceful knocked out.
Small time forever. I got a vision. Keep your eyes open! He's here somewhere! Felt my toes. You like doing that to me? Mind your own business, you little brat!
Problem 1. Alpha guys looking for mystery boss? 0. Now to find the goods. Green container, white star. Now to get that inventory out of the crate.
There's Spider-Man! Get him!
For real? More of you?
Let's see how tough you really are!
Your boss gave you rocket launchers? This guy's serious.
It's like target practice!
Not letting you guys run a bunch of nice people out of business.
Don't let him get those supplies! You ain't the real Spider-Man! You're in for...
Take that! Now you gotta shut down a barbershop. We need those.
Sick.
This is it. All the stolen supplies. Hey, Caleb. Found your inventory. Bring a few trucks down to the docks, and I hope you move it back.
We were ready to file for bankruptcy and close our doors for good. Because of you, we're back on our feet. Thank you. 1,000 times. Thank you. You ever need a haircut, drop by. It's on the house.
How would that work with the mask?
I've seen stranger.
Oye, you need food too. You're a growing boy. Mira, come by Pana Fuerte anytime. We'll wrap up something nice for you, okay?
Appreciate it, both of you.
Everyone on the block feels the same. You've done us good, Spider-Man.
Doing good work out there, Spider-Man.
With your help. Any leads on our mystery guy?
Yeah, I'm working on a short list. So far I've got Vulture, Scorpion, Tombstone. Don't think Electro could pull off something like this.
That's a lot of big names. But we'll deal. I want him out of our neighborhood.
Aw, it's the first time you've called it ours.
Don't make it weird.
Too late.
Okay, I should see if Finn hit the new form in the gym theater.
Hey all, we're gonna be a little bit more serious today. If you were hurt in the Underground's attack on Roxxon Plaza, physically or emotionally, please get help. There's a list of resources on my blog. Switching topics, I'm pulling together an expose on the Underground, and I need your help. If you have any information you can share, it could help us shine a light on a group that needs to be taken down. Till next time, stay safe. And remember, your mental health is just as important as your physical health. Goodbye.
You're right, Genki. Underground are everywhere.
You might say they're overground?
Keep working on that one. Barrier's electrified. Ow! And not friendly.
Your suit says that was 300 kilojoules. How is that just ow?
Benefits of bioelectricity, I guess. Power can be supplied all locally.
Any sign of the power source?
Several. Bet these cables lead the way.
Electrified barrier is next level. Maybe they got nervous after someone infiltrated Fisk Tower.
Who do that? Siesta time.
This is better.
Oh, respect us now. Now we got Spider-Man and Roxxon against us. I don't know if we can survive it.
We can, long as we keep following her. You're scared. As Spider-Man or Roxxon?
Whoa. Plenty of people almost wiped us out before we went this public. That was before. All that matters is now.
I like your new place. Is there a phantom anywhere?
What do we do? Show yourself! Keep him away from the ring! No!
That we were here! Lay this guy out before he gets the new form!
Going down, Spider-Man!
Got him. Now we gotta drain that generator. All right, drained it. Feeling good. Now for the others.
Near Braithwaite Bridge. No one was inside.
Some guys go there or something?
No, but Tinkerer wanted a diversion while...
Damn! Well, stay alert for Spider-Man!
For the count.
You get that Roxxon intel? Shayna? Someone check on her. On it.
Nap time, bro.
Hey!
Who's here? Hey!
Cool, chipping away.
those old mob types say? Something about fish? Wait.
Disorganized. Always fighting.
Watch out for spiders, man.
You won't stop us!
One more.
Not gonna lose to you, Spider-Man!
Actually, you take this! That'll leave a mark.
Jordan can steal. This was a mistake, Spider-Man.
Get out of the air! Hey! Get back down here! He's got the
We're gonna tear you apart!
No more underground. Soon to be no more generator.
That did it. Barrier's fresh out of power.
And primed for smashing.
That was the way to the main auditorium. Now it's blocked.
Oops. Maybe there's a staircase. Or an elevator. Like that up.
Hey man, I'm thinking. What if you told Finn you're Spider-Man?
Yo, Finn. Not only did I lie about joining your club, but I'm also the guy trying to stop you.
Okay, yeah. We can work on the delivery.
Giant armored silo looks promising.
Really feeling like my gaming rig is underpowered right now.
Yeah. Finn's going full supervillain layer here. Are you seeing this giant armored container thing?
Totally not suspicious. You think the new form's in there?
I got a hunch, yeah. Container's got cables running away from it. No wonder. Rick's invention. Krieger doesn't understand new form well enough to make more, but Finn does. She mapped out how its reactivity works. That's one. Need to power the others. So why do you think I should tell Finn I'm Spider-Man? Don't you think she might react badly?
Let's make a pros and cons list. Pro. She's your best friend. Besides me.
Con, she's a tinkerer.
Pro. Talking to her is easier than sneaking around behind her back.
Con, the other Spider-Man was super clear. Don't tell anyone who you are.
You told me. Maybe if she knows it's you she's fighting, she'll rethink the whole tinkerer thing.
Maybe you're right. Finn's been making new weapons to deal with me. Guess she told the rest of the underground to keep tabs. All right, that's two. Hope this is a good idea.
What's the worst that could happen?
Says the guy 30 blocks away. No one's here. I can look around some. Oh, no good. Nice. Clear line of sight to the generator. Finn's feeding Roxxon bad intel so they don't get close to her or the new form. She's good. Looks like Finn's making a new mask? Shield? As soon as I find a way around the Underground's weapons, she comes up with something new. That sounds promising. Gotta check Finn's supercomputer. What are you up to, Finn? Finn's pumping energy into the new form, making it unstable like my venom did.
Which exploded the bridge. So, what? Does she want to blow up the theater?
Not the theater. Roxxon Plaza.
Whoa, what? That's... how could she...
It's not open yet, so there'll be no casualties. But I can't let her do this. I'm taking the new form. Come on. Come on! Crap!
Spread out. He's here somewhere.
I need to get the new form. After I deal with her glow stick army.
Just to put it out there, what if Finn's right, and this is the best way to beat Roxxon?
Finn's not just talking about throwing a rock through a window. She wants to blow up a building on my block. If any part of her plan goes wrong, people will get hurt. I can't let her take that chance.
You're right. Let's get that new form out of here.
Night.
These weapons change everything.
Hey guys, could you come look at this?
Knows we got his territory. Guy deserves to feel the break.
I shut down Fisk Tower, and I'll shut you down here. Close. Gotta be stealthier.
See him? Where did he go?
Here, take 5.
Stay out of our business. Chris, you there? Chris! Somebody check on her. She's not answering.
Got it. I'll check it out.
He's picking us up! Hiding and fight!
Coming to Spider-Man.
Gonna make a trophy out of your man!
Need someone watching my back!
Guys, he hasn't left yet!
We're not scared of you!
Good night. It looks so peaceful, knocked out.
Even Spider-Man's not ready for this.
Venom tears it apart!
Good! Keep doing that!
He's up you! Don't let him! Near the new form!
Is this the up?
Stay down, Spider-Man!
You can't beat all of us! Not alone! It's just a distraction! Take out all of us! It'll never about you!
Returning to the void electronic system.
Who told him we
Okay, now for the new form. Okay, see? No!
Can't let you take that!
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Seriously?
I just want to talk! Vince! Tinkerer! Stop!
So you can steal my new form? Not a chance in hell!
Hey, Genki! Ran into Finn!
What's happening?
She grabbed the new form! I'm chasing her across Manhattan!
Okay, how are you gonna stop her?
Step 1, catch her. Step 2, I'll get back to you. Oh, move!
Back off! This is between me and Roxxon!
How about we use our words? How about you stop being so flingy? Or she's not tired yet. It is not going well.
Where are you?
I don't know. I'm dodging explosions. I need a new strategy. Gonna do what you said.
Tell her the truth?
Yeah, as soon as I catch her. Tinkerer, I gotta tell you something. Slow down.
Do you think I'm stupid?
You want to hear this. I promise.
Step off, Spider-Man!
the advanced death wheel!
Give me one good reason not to end you.
My mom would be very upset.
Miles?
Can we just...
You two on the roof! Freeze!
That